with third line, okay? Here is you want to keep your finger down as much as possible. For instance, here, this part you have F sharp to D sharp. F sharp, you should keep your first finger down as a reference. See, I'm keeping down the whole time. I recommend not to practice with open E, just practice keep your first finger down. See, just keep your finger down as much as possible. Okay, thank you. So we're going to talk about the chord section for the Praeludium Allegro. Okay, so first of all, we want to not play the open E when you learn those hard chords. So we're going to start with the bottom two notes. Double down. Now this chord you can add it in because there's no open string. Again, no open string. Shift. Now you could do is going to first position on the last chord. Or you can start on a second position. So it depends on what you like. You can just not play the open D to hear the melody. Then eventually so now I'm playing the real performance way with three notes. When you play four notes chords, make sure you land on low, the G and D string first, then roll to the A and E string. So basically divide into two sections. Okay, the end.